Hello guys, Brian back here with another Bitcoin update. You can see we hit that 31,500 bucks today. We hit 31,525 and got rejected. Okay, I believe it's at 31,550 area, right around there. Okay, we flipped that into support. Okay, we bust up through there, flip that into support, and this market is going to tear. All right, that there's no question about it. If we zoom out here. The reason I say that, if we zoom out here, let me show you the past. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Obviously, this is on the weekly chart. All right, you can see in the past, look at this support here during the bull run, the support through here. Okay, then once we busted down through there, it became resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, we need to flip that. We flip that, and this thing is going to really start moving. Okay, we break 31,550, pretty clear shot right up to 37.5. Okay, not much resistance at all through there, pretty much open air. All right, so if we go through here, look at these RSIs and everything. First off, let's take a look at the market real quick. This is on the daily. And what I'd like to tell you guys, if you're interested, I became eligible for memberships now, so if you're interested in something like that, that's great. I really appreciate it. If you're not, no big deal at all. You guys are awesome. I appreciate all the support I get. So, and there's also a link for MEXC in the description of the video. You can go over there and receive up to $1,000 in bonus sign-on bonuses and stuff. It's a great site, and I partnered up with them. So, all right, let's get into these. You can see the numbers out here, okay? Not the 1%, 1.5, 1.9. These numbers are getting smaller, which means we're coming up the other side here, okay? If we get back to these charts, you can see over here, Bitcoin dominance. I do want to show you that real quick because that thing is double topping up here, all right? Let me get rid of my mess here. Just did a video on this talking about how it's probably going to go up and retest this line now as resistance. That's what usually happens. Okay, you'll get a push up here. It'll hit this line. Okay, former support line back here. It'll hit that, roll over, and start coming down. So that's what's more likely going to happen with Bitcoin dominance. All right, let's the Dow Jones and all that. The Dow's down 366 bucks today. The DXY, we got some bearish divergence on it on the daily. I want to show you that. We pull it up here. Or I'm sorry, it was on the weekly. There we go. You can see right through here. Okay, I'm going to point it out to you. Right here, we had a higher high. Now, if you see my white dotted line that follows down through here, right at the tip of the pointer, okay, you can see the high down at the very bottom with the yellow line across it down there. We have that high. Okay, our next high is a lower high, you know, on price. It's a higher high down there on the RSI. So bullish divergence. All right, that's what we want to see happening here. Don't want to see a crashing dollar. Okay, we just want to see it come down more for a crypto run. That's all we want to see with that. All right, now let's get back to Bitcoin itself. I believe Bitcoin's setting up for a pretty big move here. All right, so number one, we got that weekly RSI heading up, which is beautiful. We got the monthly RSI heading up. All right, so, and the monthly doesn't come up very often. All right, you can see in the past, the monthly, last time it was up here was the bull run. Time before that was the retrace of 2019, and the time before that was the 2017 bull run. Okay, so you have a bull run, a retrace, a bull run, a retrace, I would think. Okay, this green line up here is the 48,000 bucks. That's where I believe this thing's heading this time. I believe next year is going to be our bull run. So let's get down into and break this Bitcoin down here, okay, on the shorter time frames. Let's zoom into the 12. Look at where the RSI is at. Okay, we got rejected once here today. All right, so that RSI is at a 16 and a 12, and it's bullish. We got the 8-hour at the bottom. It's at a 16 and a 19. It's actually bearish right now. Okay, but that thing can flip over real quick, especially being at the bottom. You can see Bitcoin's using this we had this bull flag forming. The upper, it's becoming support now. Resistance band is now support for Bitcoin. It's right down bouncing off that. Okay, the 4 hour is just about reset. Okay, so we got the 12 at the bottom, the 8 at the bottom, the 4 is almost at the bottom, and the daily is heading down there. Okay, and we got our weekly and our monthly. So anytime Bitcoin can take off, it can take off in 10 minutes. Time is the thing that's hard to judge. All right, but Bitcoin's definitely looking strong. All right, $31,550. Watch that number, guys, and things are really going to get interesting. So thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.